My name is Samantha Ramatori, and I'm a unit coordinator at St. Paul's Hospital. My job includes greeting patients. I do clerical work that includes faxing prescriptions, prescribing physician's orders, answering phone calls. I also help coordinate patients' appointments, tests, and any transportation needs that they have. Community contribution means to me that I am providing the best care possible for my patients. Receiving this award means that my work has been recognized, and it's a huge honor to me. It shows that the work I do is motivation for future students and current students to be the best that they possibly can be. The advice I have for young people coming into this career path is be open. You never know which unit you'll end up liking and what schedule works for your work-life balance. VCC supported my career path by having 4 amazing instructors. I was fortunate enough to have Maria Hamid, Catherine Griffiths, Paula Castling, and Jane Forward. Their impact on my learning has me thinking back to the skills I learned in the classroom and I use in my day-to-day job duties. I'm still in contact with VCC and I take their students every year as preceptorship students. Taking a VCC student is something that I love to do because it gives back to the community that taught me.
Sam was one of the first students that I ever taught when I first started teaching here at the school, and she was one of the top graduates that we had. Samantha not only provides a wonderful space for the students here at VCC, but a wonderful support system for the healthcare unit she works on at St. Paul's Hospital. She is always advocating for the patients in their healthcare goals and providing such a wonderful space for the staff members to work with as well. Sam's been able to provide an act of community service that enhanced the reputation of VCC by coming back to the college itself and working with our future graduates. She comes into this very nursing station to provide support and help for those students while they're in the program. And then she also is creating different spaces and different programs within the healthcare unit she works on in the hospital by doing things like providing better patient care, better patient discharging. She wants to make sure that those patients are provided with a safe and sustainable discharge from her unit and also a better stay while they're there.